Greetings from Ward Center. We're here hanging out at Blūme Ruhm, and I'm with Bobby Moldero Jr. Really, we are here because Bobby promised me some flowers today.
Flowers, and where better than Blūme Ruhm, here where everything is so beautiful with the flowers and the plants.
Hanging out today at this beautiful spot. We're with the owner here, Jenna. Jenna, how's it going? And tell us about Blūme Ruhm.
Hi, it's going great. We're getting ready for the holidays. We're really excited to have you guys in. We just opened a few months ago here at Ward Center. Happy to be here, and we're ready to help you with all your gifting needs for the holidays.
Yes. Speaking of the gifting needs, you put together some boxes here.
Yes.
Talk about the concept here when it comes to putting together the florals.
So we are a full-service florist, so we do arrangements and bouquets, but our bloom boxes is just that little extra touch that we do. We had the need for client gifts, and that's how we started our business. And we thought, why not add flowers, you know? So we curate different products. We have an assortment of things at our shop that we use for the bloom boxes, and then we do fresh flowers the day that we're going to be delivering it or dropping it off to you. And we have a large size that's available this year, which is perfect for office gifts, or if you have like a big family that you're gifting to. Lots of goodies and snacks inside, and we can customize too.
And you got me at snacks,
yes,
honey.
Everybody loves the snacks.
You have coffee, you have vases, you have coffee mugs.
Anything you need.
You have everything that one would need as a one-stop shop for this holiday season.
Exactly. We just want to make life easy for everybody.
I love it. So, okay, you could come to the shop here, Ward Center, but also you can order online. Tell us how that works.
Yes, so our website is bloomeruhm.com. You can order flower arrangements there. If you are looking to order our bloom boxes, just contact us directly at the shop. All of our info is listed on our website.
Nice. You can also check them out on social media, on Instagram, because there you're going to be able to find out their pop-ups when they do events. They're also supporting a lot of other local businesses, and of course, you mentioned the snacks. Bobby's eyes just lit up when he heard snacks.
And it's just so beautiful here. You got to come down and support this beautiful place. Love the beautiful flowers, love the smell, love to being a part of you guys. Blūme Ruhm.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to have all the details on HiNowDaily.com, but we're going to continue to shop here at Ward Village.
I'll make you some flowers.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mele Kalikimaka once again from Ward Village. Here we are at another beautiful shop. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. A wardrobe change?
Yeah, well, she jumped right off of the hanger and onto my body.
My gosh.
It was made for me, I think.
This definitely was. So what's going on here?
Well, Bobby, throughout the month of December, they're hosting a variety of workshops with KīPUKA by Nā Mea Hawaiʻi. And we're actually right next door at Mo'omo'o Library, and that's where I got this little
gosh,
number.
It's beautiful.
And I want to bring you all back here to meet Haumea, who will be hosting some of these fabulous workshops. What can we expect?
Well, sister, you can actually expect all of the pieces that you see currently adorned on the mannequin. So, Pu'uhonua Society is a Native Hawaiian organization that helps to perpetuate art that's rooted through our Kanaka practice. All the heirlooms you see right there in front of you are going to be from our sister program, Keanahala at KīPUKA. And so all of those pieces you can actually learn to make in the month of December. And then on the left is going to be some heirlooms from our program, from Kumu Ben. And Uncle actually teaches how to make those lei out of repurposed scrap material.
I love that.
I have to mahalo Uncle Ben, because look at us. This is so beautiful.
Uncle Ben, thank you so very much. This is heirloom pieces right here.
And you can make your own. You can come and sign up for the workshop. So, Haumea, tell everybody how they can sign up for these workshops.
So, babes, you can go to actually pu'uhonuasociety.org. You can see all of our programs. You can book any of the workshops through the spaces at the 2 today. And then, honey, I know it's been a long day. Why don't you go take a little moment, go take a seat.
Okay, we go. Let's go, Bobby. It's calling our name right here. We can sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the day.
What a blessing. Thank you so much, Rachel. What a beautiful day.
Yes, so go ahead and check out wardvillage.com for the holiday guide. We're going to just kick back, relax, and hang out. All right, Mele Kalikimaka.